Is it time to buy or sell Webuy Global Ltd stock? In this video, we will explore Webuy Global Ltd in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 7th of November 2024, our system has classified Webuy Global Ltd as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but is currently reporting a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 suggests that our system expects significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and weak rising short-term trend, indicating a potentially stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the level of 0.189, which may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, 0.267 will be the next potential peak level, likely serving as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 4.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 48.82% to negative 12.87%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of negative 99.55% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 100% and negative 100.97%. This translates to a price range of 0 to negative 0.0022 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Webuy Global Ltd includes the headline: significant fluctuations in Webuy Global Ltd stock price on Thursday, moving 160.05% between high and low. The Webuy Global Ltd stock price increased 100.35% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024. The stock rose from $0.113 to $0.227. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 160.05%, ranging from a low of $0.222 to a high of $0.577. While the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 76.81% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 1 billion more shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 1 billion shares were bought and sold for approximately $336.1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.3, while the lowest was $0.105. Currently, the price is 98.41%, or $14.07, below the 52-week high of $14.3, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Webuy Global Ltd, trading under the Nasdaq symbol WBUY, has recently announced significant milestones that could greatly influence its stock price both in the short and long term. The company reported record revenue for the first half of 2024, along with a remarkable 253% increase in gross profit, indicating strong operational performance and robust demand in the Southeast Asian e-commerce sector. This growth trend is likely to attract investor attention, potentially driving the stock price upwards as confidence in the company's financial health strengthens. In August, Webuy achieved $2,900,000 in sales in just 3 days at the NADAS Fair, showcasing the effectiveness of its market strategies and product offerings, particularly its travel packages. This solid performance during a major event not only underscores the brand's popularity, but also suggests a sustainable revenue stream that could positively affect future earnings. Moreover, the company has secured $2 million in debt financing, convertible at a premium, with the potential for an additional $4 million. This financial maneuver enhances liquidity, allowing Webuy to invest in growth initiatives while minimizing the risk associated with operational cash flow. Despite these positive developments, Webuy recently obtained a 180-day extension from Nasdaq to comply with minimum bid price requirements. While this provides temporary relief, it stresses the importance of sustaining investor confidence and market performance to avoid future compliance issues. Overall, with strong earnings reports, strategic sales performance, and new financing, Webuy appears positioned for potential growth. If these trends continue, they could yield a positive trajectory for WBUY's stock price in both short and long-term perspectives. Analysts have assigned Webuy Global Ltd stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Webuy Global Ltd. The stock of Webuy Global Ltd is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of 0.13 and 0.13. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 105.8%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 102 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Webuy Global Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.84. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased. A drop below this support level may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock tends to exhibit considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.355 between its high and low, which is a change of 160.05%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 37.57%. Before we examine potential trading levels for Webuy Global Ltd, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a trend of consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Webuy Global Ltd. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this situation, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Webuy Global Ltd encounters its first support level at 0.184. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.220, which reflects a decline of 3.38%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index is at 81, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 5 days prior. Is Webuy Global Ltd stock a good buy? Webuy Global Ltd holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be considered as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate position since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we expect Webuy Global Ltd to open at 11.5 cents and commence trading at 342 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.